Hey guys, today on the Tallahassee Real Estate Baker, we are making buttermilk pie. This was a popular dessert in the 1940s due to the hardships, and it was like a make-a-do pie with what you had in your pantry. And if you saw my video from last Tallahassee Home Tour Tuesdays, we did a 1940s cottage home on Beard Street, which you should go check out. It is a popular street here in Tallahassee, especially during Halloween. The streets are shut down and it's just like live music, tons of people, haunted houses, everything you need for Halloween. Anyway, check it out. That's the 510 Beard Street. It's on my YouTube channel for Tallahassee Home Tour Tuesdays, and we made the buttermilk pie for it. Stay and I'll show you how to make it. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the really easy buttermilk pie. First, we're going to start off with our pie crust, which I didn't do homemade, I did store-bought, which is fine. You actually take and put this one in the pie crust uncooked and you bake it all at one time. Hopefully this will unroll easily since I am doing it for the video. If you see a cut, it did not. Let it thaw out real good. This is a Pillsbury one. It's not the frozen. These are like near the biscuits. So it's a little bit closer to homemade. Makes you feel like you've done something maybe. Who knows? I gotta stop because I've noticed on my videos when I go back, when I'm just doing something, not paying attention, my mouth is like. So I'm gonna try to quit doing that for you guys. All right, so you get it in there, push it down into your pie plate. You got little areas, and then you can take and kind of start. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is a pie for my family that we're just doing to show you guys how to make it. And I mean, honestly, you do anything with a pie crust and just do the little finger trick, it pretty much looks good, even if it's like not perfect. It like still looks better than when you buy the store-bought one, because it's still, I mean, it looks homemade. You know, do this and tell your people that come over it you made it yourself. So just pushing that in there a little bit more. Got a little air under it. So see, it's not perfect, but it does look homemade. All right, then we're gonna start off with a 1.5 cups of sugar and 2 eggs that you beat separately. So we're gonna do bloop, bloop. We're going to beat those separately, mix in with our 1 1/4 cups of sugar. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Through experimenting, aka trials, tribulations, fails. If you don't put enough flour in there, you get a really runny pie. If you put too much on accident, I have been told by people, it's almost like a pound cake pie. So too runny, not good. Too much, could still work out for you. So 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Incorporate the sugar, egg, and flour. Get a nice color, nice pale yellow. Then the buttermilk pie is just a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Pour that in. And then again, this one is a 1/4 cup of melted margarine. I always melt in the same cup, my little I love my white cup. You can see it. Keep my area clean looking. All right, and then we're going to use a teaspoon of vanilla. Good there. And that's it. That's your end. You're going to take it, pour it into your pie crust, put it in the oven at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. See you guys once it's done. All right, we did 35 minutes at 350, and this is the end result of our buttermilk pie. And I think we're gonna cut it up and take a little bite. good pie. Try it out. Tell me how you did and what you think about it.